In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter in Jira. Filters are a really powerful way to quickly find the work items that matter most to you, whether that's issues assigned to you, tasks in a specific project, or tickets with a particular status. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a custom filter that you can reuse whenever you need it. Let's start from your Jira board or main workspace. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar with different options, like your projects and boards. In that sidebar, look for the option labeled Filters. It might be grouped together with other navigation items, but it will usually be clearly marked. Go ahead and click on Filters. This will take you to Jira's filtering and search area, where you can manage existing filters or create new ones. Once you're on the Filters page, you'll see a search interface. Here, look for an option that says Search Work Items, or simply a search bar where you can start narrowing down your issues. Click on Search Work Items. This opens up the main search view, which is where you define exactly what you want Jira to show you. Now it's time to customize your filter. This is the most important part. You'll see different fields and drop-downs that let you refine what you're looking for. Common options include project, issue type, status, assignee, priority, labels, and more. Start by choosing the project or projects you want to include. Then decide what kind of issues you want to see. For example, you might select only bugs, or maybe you want stories and tasks as well. Next, adjust the status to match your goal. You might choose only to do and in progress items if you want to focus on active work, or done if you're checking completed tasks. You can also filter by assignee to show issues assigned to you or to a specific teammate, and you can combine several conditions at once. Take your time here and think about what you actually need to see on a daily basis. As you adjust the filters, Jira will update the results list so you can immediately see which issues match your criteria. When you're happy with the results, save your filter so you can easily access it later and avoid rebuilding it from scratch. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it in the future. And that's it. You've clicked into the filters area, searched your work items,